Hello everyone. Today I am here to talk about one of the most common problem, that is pimples, that may everyone suffer once in their life. It is said that it usually occurs because of the hormonal imbalance. But what are the solutions for this? First of all, exercise, a lot of yoga. But what happens? And finally, this happens when you do a lot of yoga. Your legs are totally paining. Even mine. When I am doing a lot of yoga, my mind says just ignore this all and go to Chipotle and eat some burrito. So the next solution could be home remedies. Yeah, home remedies. First of all, you can use a toothpaste on your face. Like, don't bring a toothpaste, don't use them on your teeth, just use them on your face and look like maybe ghost. Don't apply it on the night time because may your family get maybe scared. And second could be turmeric. People like me don't like turmeric in their food, but yeah, you can apply on the face, and maybe next day your face looks like this yellow face. Yeah, it will look beautiful. I don't know. So the next is good food. Eat a good food. But even don't ignore this also. It is very important part. But yeah, if you're suffering from pimples, try this. It would be very good for you. The next solution is water. Drink lot and lot and lot of water. But what happens? Sometimes this can also happen with you when you drink a lot of water. Yeah, it happened with me also. Like it is very difficult to control at public place. So don't drink a lot of water when you're going out. Just try to drink more and more water when you are at home, or or just try to find a public washroom when you have drank a lot of water or when you're out. So finally I recommend you to go to the doctor. I think doctor can give you a best solution for your problem. But people like me are also afraid of doctor because just I am afraid of injections. So I don't like to go to the doctor. But yeah, if you will talk to the doctor, she will definitely understand, and you can even say her that you don't want an injection. She will definitely understand you. So here are my all the solutions for the pimples, and finally here is my reference. I have taken a 3 references and here they are. Thank you.